Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Fontaine steel wood, beautiful unit, 36'6". Folks, this unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new kingpin plate, pre-weighted in the front. This unit's in excellent condition. Wood deck, brand new buyer's toolbox. Steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber, brakes and drums, spring ride suspension, universal mounting kit. Will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our piggyback forklifts that are available. We have Moffett's refurbed, Princeton's refurbed, Load Max, brand new 2024 and refurbed units in our Load Mac division. Driver side refurbed steel outer rim, brand new rubber, spring ride suspension on this 2008. 36'6", excellent condition on this trailer. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website. Give us a call. More than happy to help in any way we can.